day I gotta rock this look. I gotta go out in the world and show them this. Switching positions and contemplating, thinking about making a play. I love when it deep inside of me, pulling me close. I love the way you ride the beat. Come and take a ride with me, baby, don't be shy with me. You loving me constantly. Hello vlogs, and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing a makeup tutorial of how I do my makeup. And so basically, like, cause everybody do their makeup differently. They use different stuff and everything ain't for everybody's skin. And I have sensitive skin and also blemishes. So I use like different products. So first thing I'm gonna be using is MAC makeup 7.5. That's the color, and I also use 8.0, but it looks like I'm running out of the 8.0. But mainly I use 7.5. I never run out of that. I also use Sephora makeup to cover up like the blemishes. And this is a 4.3. And I'm actually going for like a more natural look. Excuse my nephew, he's back here. He's a baby or whatever, but I just let him do what he please. Say hi. Good boy. Okay, so I'm like blending in everything. Especially if you got blemishes, like you gotta like cover them up. So that's good. I usually don't mix the makeups, but I was just trying Sephora for the first time. Okay, next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So mainly what I do with my eyebrows is I like fill them in. So I don't really have a lot of eyebrows. So what I do is just take the pencil to like do a fill in. I'm using like a brown. I like them kind of full. I don't have any, so I like them full, and then like I use the concealer next. Cause most people be like using black, and I'm like, them are too dark. Like they don't even match your hair. You doing? You using jet black? Like for what? These women don't know, but you gotta like. Some people like letting their friends come out the house like that. Like, tell your friend she got a caterpillar on her face. Like, let her know. And then some of them do it and then have a unibrow. Like, they ain't your real friend if they don't let you know. Now they're just gonna sit there and let you go to the club with them like that, and y'all just dancing and people snapping pictures and stuff. And then a dude walk up like, and you wonder why you not getting chose. Because you got a whole monkey on your face. That's why I was fixing my nose ring. So for my concealer, I use like the Proactive. Hold on, do I got it backwards? No, it's not. So I use like Proactive concealer because like I said, I have sensitive skin. And so yes, you can order makeup from Proactive on proactive.com. like the angle because I'm like right-handed, so I be like how to do all that, like stretch and just, you know, like this one is just easy because it's on this side. Like when people be doing their makeup and I be watching it, like one be longer than the other, one be a different shape than the other. No, if you do what you do to that side, do to that side too. Girl, you gotta make sure them edges on fleek, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna be using some 3D natural silk lashes. This is what they look like. .3D natural lashes. The number on these are SH214. Let's see if I can do this right because I be having problems with this. I'm gonna just move everything out the way. I'm back. So now I see that my face is like kind of like light and I don't like that look. So what I'm gonna do is use my MAC to fill in and get my color. I just be doing like my own makeup thing. So there's no right way to do it. Like just do it what fits you. Do it don't look like that because I can't stand it. But like it don't look like that. But really it do look like that. But if I see it on the camera, then that's what the other people gonna see. Feel that I do my makeup wrong, just let me know. Like I take constructive criticism.
Make my makeup pop, like pop, pop, pop.
I was trying to like figure out what I'm gonna do as a thumbnail, but I'm not even finished.
Yeah.
We're about to go. Yes, it's cute. You like it? My eyelashes, you like that? So that means if Annie step out the house right now, I can get a boyfriend. Yeah? High five. Let them know we with it. We with it. He get away with murder with me. I don't want you. Next, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna take some of my concealer and I'm gonna put some right here. So I'm gonna be using this makeup right here. I'm gonna be using the brown, and I'm gonna be putting it like right there. But I kind of like when the concealer at the bottom just pop like that. The next step, I'm gonna be taking this. Like I say, people use different stuff. This is, I got this from the beauty supply. It's a NK Perfection highlighter, and I'm gonna be taking that and I'm gonna use that as eyeshadow because I like this gold. Like, it's just something that I like. Tasha gave this to me, and I never tried it, so I guess I'm gonna try it today. It's cute though. But anyways, this is called Wet in the Wild, and the color is 54A. I'm gonna be taking this and using this as a lightener to like lighten the face. So I'm gonna put it like right here. Like, most people go like do their nose and their nose be like longer and stuff like that. No, I'm gonna just keep it like this because it's already poking. I ain't trying to change my nose to this how God made me, so I'm gonna just keep it that way. If you don't like it, if I gotta go out there. So this is how it look. I actually like it. Like, see, that's why I say you gotta find you in your own makeup. So that's why it's called My Makeup Tutorial, because it's my way of doing makeup. And see, like, it's real cute to me. So can't nobody tell me different. Yeah, I be feeling like that. Like, I be feeling like I be feeling when I be feeling it. Feeling like I be be feeling it when I be feeling it. He is goofy. So yeah, I'm like, yeah, let's see. Okay, so basically I am really done. Everything is finished. Like I say, everybody do things that way. This is how I do my edges. And what I use with my edges is sleek edges from Sheets. I wouldn't got it from Sheets after here, but I think they sell them in stores. It's called sleek edges. And I use this one. This is a new one, so I tried this one. This Eben or whatever, 24-hour edge tamer. This is the small thing because I was trying it. I think it's black. Yeah, I usually use the purple and the green, but I like the purple better. But yeah, so get the purple. So this is the look, and thank y'all for subscribing and watching my makeup tutorial. Until next time, kisses.